So welcome to this video, and I'm doing this in a hotel in Central Oregon, so it's kind of weird. It's kind of a nice little change of pace, but right now, I guess I have to do this because the East Pacific has been active. Kind of funny, as soon as I said things were getting a little pessimistic, I was starting to question the season. They woken, thanks to a Calvin wave, and we have MJO coming, which should further enhance activity over the next week or so. And right now, we had six systems to watch, but two of them dissipated. One of them really dissipated, the other one's on its way out. So now we have five left. So let's go from east to west. So on the east side, we have way over Central America right now. That has potential to be quite a powerful hurricane once it emerges into the East Pacific in a few days. But the models don't show it developing until about day 8 or so. But still, it's something to watch. But then, east of that, we have Tropical Depression 80, which was declared this morning in a form from Invest 94E, and winds of that are 30 knots. It's in a relatively good environment, and thus, it has some potential, but conditions become very hostile in about 2 days. So I'm not really sure. Models are not very aggressive with this, aside from the HWRF, which has been doing good this season. It really is, for the most part, though it's not been doing as well as doing in June this month. So it's kind of more of a waiting game. So, it's kind of a wait and see waiting game. For now, I think if the storm can develop an inner core quickly enough, it could arrive, but if not, it'll be another dark tropical storm. But we'll have to wait and see. Because really, aside from the HWRF, none of the models are very aggressive with this. And they're keeping them a 50-knot tropical storm at best. The ANC in its first forecast called for this storm to peak at 60 knots, but this advisory, for some reason or another, they didn't really say why. They reduced the forecast from 60 knots to 50 knots. But now, in addition, we also have Invest 93, and it has a 70% chance of developing within the next 2 days, but it's near an area of higher wind shear. That could, and it really only has a 12 to 24 hour window of opportunity. It's probably not fully TD worthy, but I don't think it would be unreasonable to upgrade one. The ANC hinted they were going to do it, but as of this video, it has not been upgraded. I'm not sure if it'll form. It's pretty 50-50 in my eyes. It's up in the air. ANC will probably lower it. They'll probably note that it could still form. Some stuff like that. The ANC are looking at yet another bust. The season's really been very active in terms of tropical storms and Invest. We really have not gotten more than like 3-4 days without at least something to keep an eye on. So that's a good positive. And then to the west of that, we have tropical storm. We have tropical depression Genevieve. It wasn't formed yesterday. Went straight to TS status. Though the agency admitted that they declared it too late. It peaked at around 40 knots, and now it's been weakening to high wind shear. The models do intensify the system later on, as the environment could become more favorable once it gets to around 145, 150, 155 degrees west-south of the Hawaiian Islands. So it'll be something to watch, but most of the statistical guidance like the LGM and ships are not in the Euro are not in agreement with the ships. We're not in agreement with the JFS and CMC, which do show a revival as it nears the islands. It is possible the storm could be totally gone by then. Winds right now are 30 knots. So we'll have to wait and see. And then we also have Invest 91C, which has a 10% chance, and it probably won't form, though. It looked like it did a few days ago. It would possibly form, but now shear has just gone too high. It's south of Hawaii now, and that will wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll probably do a weekly update again on Monday or Tuesday. Bye.